So we're under the house right now, and there's hardly any room under here at all. And this is where the landscape irrigation flooded and the water came in underneath the house. And if you look at this, it's pretty juicy. Just lay flat ducting to the back corner over there. And then we're gonna take the second one and we're gonna put it in here also. And we're gonna pump that hot, dry air back here into this cavity and make it work its way all the way back out to our desiccant and our return, okay?